Welcome to Road Solver Tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to discuss the survey based reports, which is slope stake limits from the Road Solver. Now slope stake points, which is the first beginning of the project, needed to put in the along the road to fix this limit of work. So that is very important for the beginning stage. So from the Road Solver we can get three type of reports, which is number one is a case report, that is for cut, fill, limit, and there is a case. The distance from the center line distance and which is cut area or fill area, that is mentioned in the report. Second one, slope stake, which is layout 5. So this is you can transfer to the total station or GPS. So it will be coming with coordinates and elevation and this which is left side cut or fill, like that. So that report we can get it. Also work limit area calculation. So there is a area which is calculated, both which is cut and fill, both are coming. Total area which is we are working, so that is area calculation also. It is, you can get it from the Road Solver reports. Now we will check in the program how it will be work. Now when we open the Road Solver, you can go to the reports. There is a construction, there is a work limit. In that work limit you can select that one. So there is a station limits, so I can fix that one. It is with this 1000, so it will be not take too much time. So report type, we have three types. So first I select the case report. So first I print it in PDF. This report is directly generated from the which is calculated top of embankment elevations. So once which you are calculated, from that one it will be take out. So there is a station, the distance for the left side, this case, fill case or cut case. After that nothing is taken. Same like that right side, there is a distance and case, and then nothing is taken. This is the one which is coming from the Road Solver. This file you can print it in even Excel also. So just select this slope stake, just press, so the file is created. You can check it, that slope stake. So that is appear here. So that will be coming in the nothing. This report you can modify whatever you like it. Sorry, or you can transfer anything like that. So it will be possible. Now the second one, it is the area report. So this area which is calculated for the distance and total length of the cross section. From that one take the average width area, then it's a cumulative area. So this method, so from 675 up to 1000, the total area which is working is 8327, like this. So this one also you can print it in Excel also. Then third one, survey report. Survey report, just only click that button, so you can get it as a text file. So there is a serial number, northing, easting, elevation, and then there is a station left side or right side, and station it is cut or fill. So that will be mentioned in one. This file you can transfer to total station or GPS, which you are making the set out in the site. Thank you.